We saw this Windows setup trick by two other YouTubers, Theodore Joe and Chris Titus covered it. So I thought, alright, let's give it a go in real time. So I'm just going to run it on a VM because I don't need to install or reinstall Windows right now. This trick will apparently not install all the third-party bloatware into Windows during your setup, and it might even bypass the internet connection requirement on the on the setup screens too. I'm not sure about that one, but we'll find out. So yep, fresh VM right here. Now make sure if you're using a VirtualBox, you click skip unintended installation, which I would use every other time, but we need to change things during the setup. But that's a really nice feature. It'll just script the whole install process for you. Yep. Okay, fresh virtual machine. It should have automatically detected the UEFI settings for Windows 11. And we are off to the races. Or are we? Just hell slow. And this is where the magic happens. Under time and currency format, since obviously I'm speaking English, so I'm going to go with English World. And well, that's it. The rest of it's just a normal install, as you would any other day. Not going to worry about a key for this. I choose 11 Pro since I have the option, but it's not going to make a difference. At this point, I just suggest go to one of those sus websites and get I think it's LVM, is it? They'll sell you a large volume license for like 20 bucks for Pro. It's not exactly legal, I don't think, but it's probably not exactly illegal. Check those sites out. Some are more reputable than others. Don't just buy it from anyone. But anyway, that's not the point. That's not here nor there. Okay, we'll let that run. Almost there. I wonder what updates it's installing. And yep, not happy with the UEFI, but oh well. Not today's problem. This will take probably a few minutes, so we'll just we'll wait until we get to the setup screen. That was the wrong button. Okay, so this takes a second. Thinking about something. I think it's really struggling. I'm guessing it will time out. Something went wrong with the out of box experience. Well, great. Skip. It's probably whinging to Microsoft right now. Now at this point in time, this VM does have internet access. Okay. Windows 11 installed does not usually ask me this too often. Windows 11 VM will do. We'll give it a moment. Okay, one reboot later. Sure. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let's try work or school. Ah, god damn it. Alright, let's just hold shift, press F10. OOBE bypass NRO. Why are you not working? Round and round and round we go. If this doesn't work how I intended to, we'll have to shut down the machine and turn off networking in the VM so it's got no internet at all. Okay. Okay. God damn it. Okay, there's lesson number 1. So this just became really annoying really fast. I'm gonna power it off. You can tell I don't do these things rehearsed. And basically what I'm going to do is disconnect this system from the internet. And then do that step again. So we'll probably have to open up the command prompt and put in the bypass NRO. We'll see. Okay. Lesson learned. You still have to physically disconnect your system from the internet. So we get this. And then because I'm 100% sure that because I already did that command with OOBE/bypass NRO, I get this option. So obviously we're going to go with continue with limited setup. This is standard things for setting up a offline account. I don't know if turning all this stuff off makes that much of a difference or not. Okay, we should be alright, we'll be into a desktop. And there we are, look at that. That is brilliant, that is so bare. Too good. Too good. Yep, I will be doing this from now on. Just one thing to note, the store will not work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to re-enable the network now. And we'll come back and check a few things with internet connectivity enabled. Okay. Now, once again, the store still won't work. So, I'm guessing the store's regional locked as well. Let's just check. We do have internet, right? Yes, good. But we can go a step further here. There's, we're gonna go this. Titus. Yeah, debloat. This is one of the most, if not the most useful Windows 11 tool I know of. Pull up PowerShell with admin privileges. And run that. I do wish I could change the resolution, but if we go to display settings, something's not right here. It's locked out. Why are we locked out? To fit my connect, man, my connect. We're running 1080, come on. Whatever. Don't need, whatever that is. Chocolate tea. Brilliant tool. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Only problem is we can't see half of it. That's a bit better. So between install, tweaks, config, I can pretty much get a system, a Windows 10, Windows 11 system up and running from scratch with just this tool alone. Like we'll install, apart from system drivers, pretty much like 90% of everything I ever use. It is brilliant. You got all your browsers, everything. Highly recommend this tool. But this isn't the part I'm interested in. Actually, there is a test we will do here. Windows Terminal, because you usually get that off the App Store. It's running it, but it's pulling it off of GitHub. I hardly ever use the App Store. I got no idea where the App Store back ends. But I doubt the App Store back ends into GitHub. But that works anyway. Don't have to worry about getting it off the store. Tweaks is what we want, is it? This isn't what I'm looking for, but while we are here, this here, set classic right click menu. Absolutely brilliant. Gets rid of that ridiculous right click nonsense that they put into Windows 11. Right, there we go. Now, the other thing actually I wanted here is right here. We can make this system even cleaner. We can remove all MS store apps, get rid of Katana. I don't normally bother getting rid of Edge, but let's give it a go. Forgot about that, you don't want mouse acceleration either. And let's see how that works out for us. Okay, that will take about a minute, so just pause here for a second. Okay, I think we're near the end of this list. That is brilliant. Look at all the junk it has taken off. This is it removing Edge. I don't know if it removes Edge as much as kind of just disables it. Look at all the Microsoft crap. And then if there's stuff you can use, all you have to do is re-enable the App Store and pull in what you want. Yeah, reactivate it. It's not going to break anything. Well, it reckons removed. I don't know. I've never tried that before. I usually don't bother. I just leave Edge there. So yeah, Chris Titus Text Windows Utility must have. Absolute must have for anyone on any level. Beginner to system administrators. And now let's see how clean the start menu is. Holy crap. Oh, we still got that. Still got the Xbox crap, but still, that is nothing. Like, let's just check something. So yeah, that's my normal start menu, which I never pay any heed to. Like, why the fuck do I have TikTok? Get the hell out of here. You can go to... And then, like, I've got a heap of shit installed, so my menu's going to be long anyway, but... That is beautiful. This is definitely the procedure I will be following from here on out. Each time I install Windows 11. I don't know if it will work with Windows 10. Windows 10 is a bit different. It has the option for English International, but it does not have the option for English World. I don't know if it makes a difference. I was installing Windows 10 the other day on a system. I didn't try it because it wasn't my system. I didn't really have the time to muck around. I don't know if it'd work for you or not. But there we have it. I'm very happy with that. I'm glad. I hope Microsoft doesn't do something stupid and change this later, but like a lot of these big companies at the moment, they're all on a pretty good downhill spiral. At least as far as PR goes. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Until next time, peace.